अगर वाइफ को रास्ते पे नंगे होने को बोला जा रहा है तो वाइफ को इज्जत दो, बोलो कि वाइफ मेरी यहाँ पे नंगी नहीं हो सकती।
Hey everyone, welcome to the Gossip Gully, where we serve piping hot Bollywood masala tea each week. Payal Rohadgi and Sangram Singh. On paper, they look like the perfect couple. A glamorous actress and a disciplined wrestler. But behind the Instagram posts and motivational captions lies a marriage that feels more like a public performance than a partnership. From explosive fights on YouTube to emotional neglect and whispers of manipulation, their relationship is messy, complicated, and toxic on both sides. Let's unpack their story and why this power couple might actually be breaking each other down. Payal and Sangram met back in 2011 on a reality show. Payal was already a controversial figure from Bigg Boss, while Sangram had this squeaky clean wrestler image. They quickly fell for each other and started living together. A bold move at a time when live-in relationships weren't widely accepted. At first, it seemed like a fairy tale, but their dynamic was already showing cracks. Payal was fiery and outspoken, while Sangram was quiet, almost too quiet. Instead of balancing each other, they looked mismatched.
संग्राम जी का आई थिंक गुस्सा थोड़ा शांत हो गया है क्योंकि
ऐसे भी शांत स्वरूप है।
हाँ, बहुत शांत स्वरूप है कि मुझे सबके सामने बोला कि तुम अंडे देने आई हो यहाँ पर, which is a very wrong statement that you made in front of 10 media people. What do you want me to do now? You want this to be recorded? You really want to show yourself to the world?
परमात्मा में विश्वास है आपको?
हाँ, तो क्या करना है? What do you want me to do?
तो उसका नाम लो।
नाम लो।
ओम शांति।
Okay.
3 years later, in 2014, they got engaged. But for the next 8 years, they never tied the knot. Every year, rumors swirled. Was Sangram getting cold feet? Was Payal too controlling? Or were they together more for image than love? In interviews, Payal often dominated conversations, speaking for both of them, while Sangram barely said a word.
व्रत और ज्योतिर्लिंग वाली बात बोली है, that's like equivalent to a WhatsApp forward and fake news, okay? But then he is allowed to spread that narrative because he's a free individual.
मैं तो मैं आप बोल रहे थे, मैंने कुछ बोला?
नहीं, मैं खाली उसका काउंटर कर।
Some called him supportive. Others said he was emotionally checked out. Fast forward to 2022. Payal joined Kangana Ranaut's show Lock Up and things got messy. On the show, she accused Sangram of emotional neglect, crying over his lack of attention. Suddenly, Sangram showed up and proposed to her on camera. Cue dramatic music, hugs, tears, and skepticism.
पायल, इसमें से आधे लड़की वालों तरफ से आएंगे, आधे लड़के वालों तरफ से आएंगे।
देखो मैं तो लड़के वालों की तरफ से देसी बंदे देसी बंदों के साथ।
तो ठीक है।
What a news!
ये लोग अब खत्म कर लो, फिर हम शादी करेंगे।
Oh my God!
Was this a genuine romantic gesture or a PR stunt to save face? After all, why propose after a decade and only after being called out on TV? Payal opened up about wanting kids and undergoing fertility treatments. But instead of feeling supported, she hinted that Sangram wasn't fully invested. In multiple YouTube videos, she broke down, saying she felt abandoned. She accused Sangram of always traveling or being emotionally distant. That pain turned into anger, and Payal started disrespecting him publicly, mocking him, interrupting him, even questioning his masculinity in front of their fans.
Don't fight with me for them. You them. I am talking to you in a very normal language. मेरे साथ गलत भाषा में बात नहीं करना। Talk to me properly. Talk to me properly. understand. Don't just say yes because you. हाथ मत लगाओ.
मेरी बात सुन ले, मैं समझा दिया कर रहा हूँ, देख ये
करो. Don't try to talk to me in a bad manner. तुम आदमी हो तो तुम लाओ कवर, पॉलीकार्बोनेट की शीट लगाओ. तुम आदमी हो तो लाओ ना. ठीक है, 15 साल से तुमने यहाँ पे कवरिंग नहीं करवाई. तू आदमी हो, शादी के बाद ऐसे में बैठी हुई हो. आदमी हो, लो 4 बेडरूम का घर.
Sangram has always been seen as the good guy, but silence can be toxic too. He rarely defends her or stands by her during controversies. He's calm, yes, but his calmness often feels cold.
मेकअप रूम नहीं था, मुझे बाथरूम में कपड़े बदलने पड़े. तुम वहां पे जमीन साफ कर रहे थे और मुझे अटेंशन सीकर बोल रहे हो. करोगे यूएस.
Nothing shows their dysfunction better than their YouTube channel. What started as a mix of fitness and political commentary turned into a reality show no one asked for. There are countless clips of Payal berating Sangram over thumbnails, screaming at him while driving, and accusing him of never respecting her. Sangram, stone-faced, barely engages. Their audience is split. Some call Payal unhinged. Others say Sangram's passive-aggressive silence is manipulative. Either way, their channel has become less about inspiration and more about chaos. This couple isn't toxic in the dramatic, throwing things kind of way. It's a slow erosion of respect, broadcast for views. Payal seeks validation and constant reassurance. Sangram offers detachment and avoidance. It's a cycle of attention-seeking, emotional withdrawal, and online drama. And yet, they stay together. Maybe they're addicted to the image they've created. Or maybe dysfunction has just become their comfort zone. So, what's the truth? Is Payal unstable and starved for love? Is Sangram secretly manipulative behind his calm persona? Or are they just two deeply incompatible people, clinging to a relationship for relevance? Whatever the case, their marriage is a reminder that not all toxicity is loud, and that some couples can monetize their dysfunction. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you found this deep dive interesting. And subscribe for more stories that peel back the glossy layer of celebrity relationships.